Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Compass Real Estate up here in Big Bear Lake. Today I am in the center of Big Bear Lake, right up above the village at 1007 Knickerbocker. So this one, really cute 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Again, walking distance to the village and then also right down the street from the National Forest. And it also backs to the forest, so come check this one out. Okay, from the street, really kind of quiet. Knickerbocker comes up and it will go down to Pine Knot down here. So right up around this corner, you're gonna go right down to the village. Also, if you go right around this corner, maybe to like right here, you're gonna have one of my favorite access points to the National Forest, as well as if you continue around this way, maybe about like a third of a mile, you'll get to the old ski slopes. So you could hike straight up the mountain from there. But you could also, since this backs to the National Forest, you could also just hike from your backyard. So today we're looking at 1007 Knickerbocker. So it is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1280 square foot, just reduced to 515. So one thing to note about this one is the very, very large lot size. This one is just about a half acre, 20,625. So you'll notice also that the lot next door is for sale. So I don't have any property markers on this side, but the lot line is gonna sit really close to the house, and a lot of the lot just goes right up that hillside. So while it's not too usable, the majority of it, it's still private. Keep people away. So you got some nice tall trees up here. And this one, they do use it as a vacation rental. You'll see they are listed with cool cabins. They have a max occupancy of 6. Total cars 2. So it sounds like they're only getting the occupancy off of 2 bedrooms. So 4 people in the bedrooms and then 2 in the living room or this downstairs room that is also considered a bedroom. So we have 2 different entrances, one down below, one up above. Mainly you're probably going to use the one up above. But just want to start out here. The neighboring property is also a vacation rental too. So this one was built in 1952. So you'll kind of notice that by all this rock work. As far as I can tell from looking at title, no major upgrades to bring it up to any other year other than 1952. Do have the handrails put in for rental purposes. Nice big tree on the lot. And it is log-sided home. You've got a nice deck. Out here feels pretty sturdy. Covered porch area. And then room to kind of sit out here along. It'd be nice to put like a big dining room table out here so that you could barbecue and enjoy everybody that's with you. So I will go outside afterwards. I'm going to take you through the inside first. So they did have a long-term renter in here a while ago. So that was kind of the last person that was in here. But you do have, it's probably like wood storage right here, but they have updated that facade for the fireplace. I could tell because that is not a typical 1952 fireplace. Nice wood mantle. Let me get in this corner. This is kind of where the TV's there. And got your living room here. Windows are the older single pane windows, so those could use to be updated. Smells like newer carpet in the home too. It is run off of a wall heater. So we will first go into the 2-bedroom, 1-bath up here. So this seems like it used to be like a little trapdoor to get down to the basement. No longer really usable unless you kind of took it apart. I'll see if we have signs of that downstairs. So you've got 1 bedroom, could easily get a king-size bed in here. You do have baseboard wall heaters too. So those are operated by this little thermostat here, which is nice because you can sectionally heat the home. Everything's just kind of like painted white in it. Nice big closet with also drawers down below. One thing I am noticing is that while it has a vacation rental license outside, it cannot be a vacation rental right now because, as you just saw, we have no beds, which explains the long-term renter moving out. So here we are, bathroom. And this one is the first bathroom, so upstairs one. You've got tile flooring. Nothing, you know, just kind of like an older countertop, but somebody could just easily come along in here and just decorate it, and it would be a pretty good vacation rental due to its privacy and also its location too. So here we are, 2nd bedroom. Again, baseboard heating. You got that same closet right here. Very large mouse trap. And some single pane windows in here. Looks like they maybe had a TV mounted over here. And it's kind of, the bedroom space is up here. So a little bit of overkill on this dining room table for this space. You know, you might want to think about just making the kitchen, dining room table all kind of one thing, and it's just big, and the chairs are big, and those bar stools are big. So here we are in the kitchen with this hardwood floor. That seems to be somewhat original to the house. I do not believe, like you find on those TV shows, that I don't believe there's hardwood floor underneath. But you've got nice private views up here. Big empty lot across the street. I mean, it's actually like a business right here. But they own a lot of land. And when I say business, I don't really mean business. I mean more of like a bed and breakfast kind of business. So, okay, going downstairs, got our handrails that we need for vacation rentals. And if you are interested in the income, I can get that for you. Should have another bathroom. Whoa, I can't get that. I guess not strong enough. Okay, so let's back up. Here we are downstairs. This is where you would have entered off that entryway right there. One kind of oddly shaped bedroom, but you could make it work. You could put a bed right there. Little living room area right here. You got a nice heater right here. And then we have a 3/4 bathroom. It's kind of an older shower. Needs to be a little bit updated. And bathroom. Again, white. Just came in here with a sprayer and just sprayed it down. So here we have an interesting build-up area. Could possibly fit some mattresses in here. I don't know that somebody would want to make that the bed. Seems like this was a little bunk area so that you could climb up. I was kind of envisioning a bed right here. Could also make for a good storage closet area right here. Put some curtains up, hangers. A lot you could do with it. And then you also have that to go off your heating down here too. Nice cedar closet. And then just like we noticed upstairs, I don't see that access point hole down here. It would likely be somewhere